wanted to hurt you. I'm sorry. I'm trying to save you right now. Sorry. Let me just save you. You don't want me. I'm just gonna let go, okay? See you next year. But you're my bestie, right? You're just trying to hurt me or something? You're my bestie. No, but I didn't want to hurt you. But you're my bestie. Bye-bye. No. I'm trying to miss her so much. I'm trying to miss her so much. I didn't want to kill her. I'm just trying to jump. I'm gonna kill myself. Now, I'm gonna get her right now. And you're back. I'm gonna save you. I did not want it to kill you. What? You're trying to save her. I'm sorry, but you're too heavy, Mom. Tasia. I'm not Tasia. I'm just gonna fly, okay? Without no hands. I'm just gonna come. It's okay. I can jump up myself. I love you. I have to go back to my house. It's so scary. Sweetie, wake up. Wake up. Emoji Cat is over. Watch this again. Bye.